Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your stock purchases with Robinhood Export. Start by logging into your Robinhood account on your preferred device. Navigate to the account icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Select the settings option from the menu that appears. In the settings menu, look for the account section. Tap on account to access more options related to your investment activity. Next, find the export data feature within this section. Click on Export Data to initiate the export process. You'll be presented with different export options available to you. Select the option that mentions your stock purchases or transaction history. After choosing your preferred option, confirm your selection. Robinhood will prepare the data for download. Wait for a confirmation message that indicates your file is ready. Once ready, you'll receive an email with a download link. Open your email and locate the message from Robinhood. Click on the download link provided in the email. The file will usually be in CSV format for easy access. Save the file to a location on your computer where you can easily find it. Open the downloaded CSV file using a spreadsheet application, such as Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Review the data for accuracy, focusing on your stock purchases and transaction details. You can now manipulate or analyze your data as needed. Make sure to regularly back up your stock purchases for accurate record keeping. Consider creating a dedicated folder for all your investment backups for better organization. If you have any additional questions, refer to Robinhood's Help Center. Regularly repeating this backup process can help you stay organized and informed about your investments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.